Hey guys, Pete Soma with MarineMax here in Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough in our 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard. We're right here on the swim platform right now. First thing you notice obviously right away is this huge entertaining area right here. A couple things I really like. We have our pull-out sprayer right here. We can actually open this up. Another personal favorite of mine. This storage will start back here on the swim platform, go all the way into the cockpit. It's actually big enough for a stand-up paddleboard. All of our shore power connections are down there, our hoses. Let's close that up. This boat is powered by twin black Mercury 600 V12s. You can see our sea deck in stone on the swim platform that will carry throughout the entire cockpit up into the bow. Another personal little favorite of mine is this rotating seat. So obviously we can have it like we just had it, facing on our starboard side, or a little kind of cove right there. Starboard side, we have our beach platform right here, up and down on a switch. This will really just extend your cockpit a little bit depending on how you're using the boat for the day. Making our way in, we have our sunshade right here. Right now we have it out a little bit. It will go out all the way, covering these seats right here. On our starboard side, we have our grill, our wet tray, and a very handy sink right here. All right, staying in this area, we will also have underneath all of that, fridge and freezer. Our teak cockpit table, again, depending on how many people are on board, we can close it up or open it up. We do have a large amount of seating here in the cockpit. All the way around, again, you're gonna see that stone color interior. Our companion seat right here. When you're anchored up, we can join the rest of the seats in the cockpit. You do also have your own individual bolster. Here at our helm, we have our twin Simrad displays. We obviously have our Fusion stereo remote right here. Spots for our spotlight. This boat does have Seakeeper Ride on board, so again, if it's a nice windy day out there, you can just kind of stop that rolling of the boat. All of our halo switching right here. Sea Ray controls. This is going to do your sunshade in the back, all of our ambient lighting throughout the cockpit. Our helm wheel will articulate up and down. Trim tab system over here right in front of your throttles. And then our very handy joystick. Let's go take a look down in the cabin. Down in the cabin, right now I'm in the forward V berth. We obviously have our table right here. We can close this up. And then right next to me, this table can go up and down. We'll put this right here. This will be your forward sleeping area. Right behind me, this is one of two TVs down below. Our controls for our air conditioning, stereo control down here, USB and C charging. Another fridge. We will have our microwave. And then aft, our sleeping quarters, big enough for about 2 adults with another TV there as well. Let's check out the head compartment. Here in our head compartment, full stand-up bathroom. This is actually a wet head, so we'll have a sprayer that will go on the left-hand side, little shower curtain, and tons of natural light coming in through the head compartment down here. Let's go check out the bow. Making our way up to the bow here, we do have our bow block-off door. So if it's just you and say maybe 1 or 2 other people, you'd probably want to close this off, drop this windshield down, kind of get rid of that wind tunnel effect going through the cockpit. Continuing forward, again, you're going to see that gray sea deck and stone color interior throughout the cockpit and up here in the bow. Triple wide seating, all with their individual armrests. Cup holders all over this bad boy. We got another stereo control right here. More charging for your cell phone. We have another table for up here in the bow. And then our windlass anchor controls. You can operate that from the helm, or you have a control right there. I'm sorry, and our spotlight as well. All right, guys, again, 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.